Welcome to Primal Horizon. We brought them back, smarter than before. Containment integrity at 94%.
All units, lock down now. Contact! It's hunting us! Orion execute failsafe.
Evolution terminated.
You see the entire video you just watched right now. I created the entire video for free without paying for any AI tool. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like what you just watched moments ago. So let's go and dive into it. Let me take you guys to how you can create something amazing like this for free without paying for any AI tool. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we teach you how you can use AI to edit your images, how you can use AI to create videos. In fact, how you can use AI. That is what we teach in this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when it's to drop more videos on how you can be using AI, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me take you guys on how you can create something amazing like what you just watched some minutes ago. Let's get started. For me to be able to create that video you just watched moments ago, the first thing I do was to head over to ChatGPT, where I generate my video prompt. Now, coming to ChatGPT, this is how I started with ChatGPT. I said, do you know a movie titled Jurassic World? And ChatGPT responded, yes, Jurassic World is a both movie title, and you can see. Now, after ChatGPT gave me this, now this is what I said to ChatGPT. Now I want you to create the same movie using AI. So I want you to write a movie with a consistent character on that same movie. The actor, sounds, voice, speech, every action on that movie. I want it to be realistic. Just a professional movie. Please note, I want each scene should be 6 seconds each. Every scene should have image prompt and also image to video prompt with sounds, talk, actions. Make it 1 minute video. So, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. This is the script ChatGPT, as you can see. The video scene, as you can see, this is the video scene here. As you can see, scene 1. This is image to video prompt. This is image to video prompt, and this is image prompt. So, as you can see, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. It give me everything from scene 1 to scene 10 for 1 minute long video. As you can see, this is the end. Now, after ChatGPT gave me this video prompt, as you can see, after ChatGPT gave me all this, the first thing I did was, the next thing I did was to head over to this AI tool. As you can see, this AI tool called Whisk. For a lot of you who have been following my channel, you guys will be seeing recently how I've been using this AI tool to generate all my videos, images. Yes, I use them to generate videos, images. Now, after you successfully sign in, it will bring you to an interface like this where you can start generating your images. Now, for example, all I have to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. This is ChatGPT. Now, let me copy my first image prompt. As you can see, this is the image prompt. I'll just copy from here like this. I'll copy from here, copy the first one. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll move to back to the AI tool and I'll paste it here. As you can see, paste, and I'll click on generate. Before you click on generate, make sure you select your image resolution. I want my image to be on landscape. That is for YouTube. That is why I select this. Now the next thing I'll have to do is to click on generate here. And when I click on generate, it's going to start generating my images. And you're going to see the image in less than 1 minute. Now, when I go back to my library here, I click on my library. All the images I've generated for all the video scenes. Now, when I come back to images here, you are going to see it here. Now, the last image I generated right now, this is the image. As you can see, this is the image I just generated right now. These two images here. These are my previous images I generated for each scene from the video. For that video you just watched moment ago. These are all the image scenes. As you can see, these are all the image scenes here. These are all the image. So for you to be able to generate the image, all you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT. You'll be copying the image prompt one by one. As you can see, you copy the second one, after you click on copied, and after you click on copied, the next thing you go back to the AI tool and you paste your prompt here. As you can see, you paste your prompt, the second prompt you just copy. Right now, let me click on paste, and you paste and you click on continue, and you follow this method to generate all your videos, all your images. You follow this method to generate it. Go back to ChatGPT. As you can see, you generate the third scene, the fourth scene. Every scene has its own image prompt, so you generate everything. That is the method I used to generate all these images you are seeing here. I was generating the image one by one, and after generating the images, I saved them to my phone. As you can see, these are all the images. You can decide to save them and use them for your videos. Now, after you successfully generate all your images, the next thing you are going to do is to convert your images to videos. Yes, you need to convert your images to videos. And to do this, you need to use this AI tool called Group AI. I've been talking about this AI tool on my videos. In fact, all my videos, I use Group AI to generate all my videos, to convert images to videos, to also generate images and to also generate videos from prompts. Now, after you log into your group AI, you sign up. The next thing you are going to do, you click on imagine here, and after you click on imagine, it will bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to upload your image. Now, let's upload our first image. Here, you click here and you click on upload image. You can use your phone to do this, and you can also use your laptop. It's all the same method. You can use it. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on the image you generated. Now, let me look for that image I generated moment ago. The first image I generated. This is the image I generated a moment ago. I'll click on open here, and when I click on open, the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again, where I'll go and copy my image to video prompt. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Now we come back to the first scene here. As you can see, the first scene here, this one that has this image, this one, image to video prompt for the first scene, we copy everything here like this. We click on copy, and when we click on copy, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to Group AI and we paste our prompt here. As you can see, we click on paste and we click on generate, and it will start generating your videos. In less than 1 minute, it's going to generate the video. And this is the method which I use to generate all the image to video prompt. After you successfully generate all the images, you come back to Group AI, you follow the prompt again from ChatGPT, and you generate image to videos. Yes, you use Group AI to generate image to videos. Now, let me show you those images I generated. As you can see, those videos I generated. Sorry, these are all the videos I generated using Group AI. As you can see, this is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, following by the images I generated from this AI tool. Followed by these images I generated from this AI tool. As you can see, all the images, I saved the ones I like and I left the one I don't like. Yes, I download the ones I like, and after I download them, I use them on Grok AI. As you can see, I use them on Grok AI to convert them to be a video. As you can see, these are all the videos. These are all the videos, and here, these are all the, as you can see. Now, after you are successful, generate all the image to video prompt using your image you get from that website, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to any of your video editing tool. You can use CapCut or any of your editing tool. Now, let me show you how I get my video sound before I take you guys on how you can edit your videos. Now, on ChatGPT again, let me go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Before the end of my everything, after ChatGPT generate all the image, video scene, after it generate everything, I said to ChatGPT, now I want you to write me the background sound I will use that will match the movie. I want to use Suno AI to generate the sound. So this is what I give to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me this. As you can see, this is the video sound background. And this video sound background, I just copy it and head over to Snow AI while I generate the video sound, which I use for the video. So this is how I generate all the video scene and both the sound, everything. This is how I did it, as you can see. This is the sound. As you can see, this is it. So you can use this method and also generate your videos. If you know the prompt which I use for this video, you can let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to send you the prompt, or you can join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. I've been using this group AI to generate a lot of videos. As you can see, I use them to generate a lot of videos. Now, after you successfully create all your videos in, all you just have to do is to head over to any of your video editing tool. You can use CapCut, you can use any video editing tool, and you go and edit your video. You add your sound, you add everything, you add your transition, everything you like, you add it. Make sure to add your sound. And to generate your sound, you can also use No AI to generate your sound that will match the music, just the way I show you a moment ago. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.